So this was my attempt to recreate at home the famous Jhal Muri of Kolkata, which has been a part of my entire journey of growing up in school, outside school, in railway platforms, in trains, in local trains, in bus stoppages, and many a times it has proved to be a very convenient quick snacks to fill up your hunger, right? One of the very essential jol khabar of Kolkata, which you have in the evening most of the times, with ingredients which are there around at home, no fancy stuff, just enjoy it.